In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete your Amazon search history in the mobile app. It's important to keep your search history private and tidy, especially if you share your device with others. By following a few simple steps, you can easily clear your Amazon search history and maintain your privacy. To get started, open up the Amazon mobile app, and then tap on the Account button at the bottom. After that, tap where it says, Your Account. And then scroll down until you see a section called Personalized Content. In this section, you'll see an option called Browsing History. Just tap on it. Now you'll see all of your search history or the items you viewed recently. To delete them, simply tap where it says Remove from View. If you want to delete all of them at once, tap on the gear icon at the right. And then tap Remove Items. You can also pause history for 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.